Hey, welcome to our exciting journey into the world of Twitch chatbots. In this video, we will explore the incredible capabilities of chatbots and how they enhance the Twitch streaming experience. Whether you are a streamer looking to engage your audience or a viewer wanting to participate in the chat, chatbots are the perfect companions to elevate your Twitch experience. So let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to set up and utilize a chatbot on Twitch. Curiosity Unleash. Get ready to take your streaming game to a whole new level. Step 1. Sign in to your Twitch account and navigate to the creator dashboard. Step 2. In the dashboard, click on the settings and then channel and videos. Step 3. Scroll down to the chatbot section and click on Manage Bot. Step 4. Choose a chatbot provider that suits your needs, such as Nightbot, Streamlabs Chatbot, or MooBot. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided by your chosen chatbot provider to connect the chatbot to your Twitch account. Now that your chatbot is connected, let's explore the amazing features and benefits it brings to your Twitch channel. Step 6. Customize your chatbot's commands, timers, and chat responses. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks and engage with your viewers more effectively. Step 7. Set up moderation tools to filter and manage the chat, ensuring a positive and inclusive environment for everyone. Step 8. Enable interactive features like mini games, polls, and giveaways to keep your viewers entertained and encourage active participation. With a chatbot by your side, you can create an interactive and dynamic Twitch community. Let's not forget the incredible benefits for viewers too. Step 9. As a viewer, you can interact with chatbots by using commands or participating in chat games. This adds a layer of fun and engagement to your Twitch experience. Step 10. Utilize chatbot features like loyalty points and rewards, encouraging viewer loyalty and creating a sense of community. So, having a chatbot in my stream has been a game changer. It helps me manage my chat and provides interactive elements that keep my viewers entertained. I love participating in chat games and earning loyalty points with chatbots. It makes me feel more connected to the streamer and other viewers. As you can see, chatbots revolutionize the Twitch experience for both streamers and viewers, fostering engagement and creating unforgettable moments. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your Twitch streams with a chatbot and unlock a world of interaction and entertainment. Click the link in the description below to explore our recommended chatbot providers and learn more about their features. Bye for now.